is Shrija and welcome to my channel Happy Pink Studio. I know most of you must be wondering why I'm here like this without makeup, without getting ready. Well, I thought to do makeup tutorial on YouTube and thought I'd start my makeup tutorial on YouTube today. And I had plenty of ideas in mind, like I thought to do summer makeup tutorial, or I thought to do a smoky eye makeup tutorial or a party makeup tutorial. I had plenty of ideas in mind. But then I thought, when I'm starting something on makeup, let's do something completely different. And I got inspired by Patrick and Nikki, and that's when I came up with this idea of doing and showing the world what is the power of makeup. Well, I know there are many girls out there who think makeup is an external mask and internal beauty is something which has to be enhanced. I know a lot of girls who are really ashamed to say that they do makeup and they're insecure about it, or they do makeup just to impress someone. And I thought of coming up with a video just to show you all what is makeup and how it makes a difference in my life and how it can make a difference in your life also. Well, for this I'm going to glam up just one part of my face by doing makeup on this side and completely transforming it, and the other part of my face is just going to be me. So let's show you all what is the power of makeup. So let's get started. Well, I'm going to use the Revlon Nearly Naked Makeup Foundation for this. This is the first time using it, so I'm so excited. I'm going to use very little. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte Foundation, and I'm going to mix it with this. Just taking a little here again, and we'll just mix it. And by taking a mirror, I'm going to dot it on one side of my face. And I'm going to use a makeup brush and we'll blend it. I'm going to use a concealer. This is a Pro Concealer from LA Girl, and I'm going to put it under my eyes to hide my dark circles more. And also going to be putting on my acne marks. Around my mouth. Let's blend it. And now I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Compact Powder. I'm in the shade 310. And I'm going to lock my makeup with this. And on top of this, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix powder. This will give me more coverage. I'm going to take a very little and put it all over my face, because this will help me to hide my acne scars. Now, after I've done my base and I have locked my makeup with the compact powder, now I'm going to enhance my eyes, and I'm going to use the Plum Kajal, and I will be putting it on my eyelid. Play around with makeup. And I'm going to blend it with my fingers. Now I'm going to use the Lakme 9 to 5 eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking a brush and I'm going to use this color Blackout here. And we'll be putting it on my eyelid to give it more black look. Now from the same palette, I'm going to take this bronze color out here and we'll be putting it on my eyelid. Now I'm going to take that black color again just to give it a little more sharp base. Playing with colors is something I love, and do not worry about the fallout, we can do it later. And I'm just going to clear the fallouts. And I'm going to use the sugar eyeliner, and I'm going to make a wing liner with it. And I'm going to use the plum kajal on my waterline. And I'm going to create a drama around the eyes. So I'm going to draw a line below and above the wing liner. And I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies mascara. This is the Falsies Push Up Drama Mascara. I just love it. It gives so much volume to your eyelashes. And now after I've done my eye, it's time to enhance the eyebrows. Now to shape my eyebrows, I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil from Ultra. And to fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to use the LA Girl Inspiring Brow Kit. I just love it. And I'm going to use this darker shade. And with the help of the eyebrow brush, I'm going to fill in the gap. Shape. Where is the shape? And now I'm going to contour my face. For that, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Contour. I just love it. With contouring, you can make your face look thin. So let's go for it. I'm going to take a little and will contour my face. So I'm going to contour my cheeks first. And I'm going to contour my jawline also. Forehead. Cheekbone. So this is going to give a shape to my face. And I'm going to use a blush, and I'm using the Milani blush in the shade Tea Rose. This is one of my favorite blush, and it is such a beautiful color. It looks so beautiful also. And now I'll be using a Mary Luminizer highlighter. I just love this highlight. It's such a gorgeous color. I'm going to put it on my forehead. On my jawline. On my nose. And I'm going to take a little bit of this. I will be putting on inner corner of my eyes. Just to define it more. I'm going to use a lipstick, and for that I'm using this Nykaa lipstick. This is in the shade Naughty Nude. And just on top of that, I'm going to use this lipstick from Sugar. This is in the shade Tan Fan 03. I just love this color. It gives me a very good look. And with that, I finished my makeup look. I've just combed my hair, wore a earring on one side just to show the glamorous face. side? Well, with no means I'm trying to say that if you're not comfortable about yourself, if you're insecure about yourself, then put makeup. No, that's not my intention. I just want to say that makeup is fun and there's absolutely nothing wrong about makeup. If you put makeup, please don't be ashamed of saying that you put makeup. Makeup has no rules. If on any day you want to put your lipstick as a blush, go ahead. You can do whatever you want. Just like today, I have put my kajal at the base of the eyeshadow. Go ahead, you can play around. I have sometimes used my eyebrow pencil also to contour my face. Well, makeup is a complete fun world and there's absolutely nothing wrong about it. That's all my intention was. And however you are, just believe in yourself and love yourself. That's the most important thing, whether with makeup or not. So people who say makeup is an external mask, I do not believe in it. And that's the reason why I wanted to show that makeup is not a crime. Makeup is beautiful. And this, my friend, I have shown in today's video by showing you all the power of makeup.